Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is me, Iksan from KU4, and this is my friend Aura from KU4. My student number is 2020-03-10161. And Aura, what's your student number?
My student number is 2020-03 101 32.
Okay. In this question, I will interviewing an organization in medical in UMY. This is Dava Aji as a chief or a leader in Mars. Can you introduce yourself?
Okay. Halo, Assalamualaikum. My name is Dava Aji. I'm the chairman of Mars for this year period. Glad to meet you guys. Hi.
Hi. Okay. I will start this interview. Okay. Okay. In Mars, what kind of activities does Mars engage in?
Okay, that's a good question. In general, Mars is involved in scientific activities at the UMY Medical Study Program. In Mars, have activity include first, facilitate the socializations of student creativity program, or in Indonesians we call PKM, for the medical study program of FKIK. Second, develop research and scientific activities among students of the medical study program of FKIK. And third, or the last, is creating a scientific atmosphere in medical study program of FKIK.
Okay. Thank you for the answer. And then when is Mars established and why the Mars is established like that?
Okay, uh, maybe I will give you the history of Mars. So the Mars was founded in the 1st January 2007 by the first Mars chairman, namely Dr. Gagah Buana Putra, as a forum for self-development in a field of science and research for students of the medical study program of FKIK. Uh, in 2007, Mars started as a study club with the main program discussing scientific journal, which later developed into a faculty level organizations, and is now Mars is a study program level student organizations like now. Maybe is that.
Okay. Okay, thank you for the answer. So Mars is a organization who focusing in education, right?
The medical educations, especially science and research for the
Okay.
medical students.
Okay, okay, thank you. And then the third question is, what is the purpose of the Mars or this organization to, I mean, like, what is the purpose of Mars like that?
Oh, okay. The purpose of Mars, the Mars have aims to shape and encourage the student to have creativity and ability to conduct research, have a love for science, be able to think critically, creativity, and be responsive to sensitive the development of medical science and technology. And Mars hope can have global competence and competitiveness. In other hands, Mars serves as a forum for Mars administration, or we call Marslian, and student of the medical study program of FKIK to develop themselves in medical science and research with an organizational basis. So in one hand is Mars is science organizations. In another hand, Mars is organizational basis in uh, medical student of UMY. Like that.
Okay, thank you for the answer. I think that's for me. Around it's your turn to give some question.
Okay, thank you, Iksan. So for the next question is, what kind of project that Mars have done?
Okay, for informations, Mars of the period 2021-2020 had a name Evolving Mars. During this period, several work programs have been carried out. Among another things is Meteors and Master. Do you know the Meteor and Master? Do you
No,
know?
no.
Okay, I will giving information about that. Yeah. First is Methodology of Research class or Meteors. This program is to introduce to novice student before making a scientific paper or thesis or scriptions as the one of graduation requirement. In this program, explain the compositions of the thesis and tips for making it better. The second is Mars internal training public poster or master postbook. In this program is to facilitate the activity of Marsian, we call that Marsian, in making works and presentation to fellow Marsian. Is hope this program can make improve for the quality and quantity of the works, especially for public poster. Is that the two work program has been done in Mars. But in for your addition informations, Mars is currently in preparations to hold the seventh annual medical Jogja scientific competitions, or we call it Med Johnson 2020. In Med Johnson, we will hold two main series, namely scientific competitions and seminars. The first scientific competitions is divided into four competitions, namely poster public, educational videos, scientific essays, and literature reviews. In the other hand, seminar is when the doctor from another university and from UMY will giving the informations about current informations to medical student about the disease in Indonesians. I think that the kind project that has Mars have done, Aura.
Okay, so next question is, how does Mars contribute to Muhammadiyah by this war?
Okay, for the University Muhammadiyah, right, in Yogyakarta. Get it. The Mars has contributed to advancing the world of science and research among the students of the medical study program of FKIKUMY, so as to create the student of medical study program of FKIKUMY who are critical, creative, intellectual, innovative, and contribute in the development of medical health science. This achievement made by Marsian members or Mars members are used to help the medical study program to improve the accreditation status. So the UMY medical study program has received an A status in 2020. So Mars contribute to the UMY making the medical study program have a great accreditation status in 2020. I think that's all. Uh, Aura.
Okay, so next question is, by joining Mars, what kind of advantage that we will get?
Okay, by the joining Mars, the advantage you have will get three. I think the first is you can if you can become a Marsian, you will get the facility to be creative in scientific competitions. Second, you can get a new family with a fellow Marsian who are very closely related to their kindship. And the third of the last, if you can be Marslian, you can practice leadership skills and cooperations in carrying out the various work programs in at Mars UMY. I think that's three advantage you can get if you can become a Mars member.
Okay, so that was the last question. So thank you, Mas Dava, for answering our question. Maybe from Iksan, any other question?
I think that's enough too from me. Thank you, Mas Dava, for answering the question and giving some answers. I think that's all from in this interview. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Thank you.